Greetings of the day. Let's continue our lesson in geography. Lesson number 4, Motions of the Earth. And the topic which we are going to start today is effects of revolution. In this, we are going to study about unequal length of days and nights, change in temperature and changing seasons. So let's start with unequal lengths of days and nights. Due to the inclination of the Earth's axis, the length of days and nights varies from season to season and from the equator to the poles. For most part of the year, only one pole of the Earth is tilted towards the sun. When the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, the northern hemisphere receives more heat from the sun. The southern hemisphere faces away from the sun and receives less heat. Therefore, the northern hemisphere is said to be experiencing summer season, while the southern hemisphere is said to have winter season. During the summer season, days are longer than nights. Days are longer in places nearer to the North Pole than the South Pole. At the equator, the length of illuminated and dark parts of the circle is equal. That means any point on the equator has almost equal length of day and night all through the year. As we go north, the length of the illuminated part of the parallel is more than the darkened part. It means that the days become longer and nights become shorter when we move from equator towards the North Pole. In fact, the North Pole experiences 6 months of daylight. When the South Pole is tilted towards the sun, the southern hemisphere receives more heat in comparison to the northern hemisphere. Therefore, the southern hemisphere experiences summer, while the northern hemisphere experiences winter. The northern hemisphere has longer nights and shorter days. Places near the North Pole have 6 months of darkness.